In this video, I'm going to walk you through the best video settings for the Sony a6000. Now this tutorial is meant specifically for beginners, someone that doesn't really know anything about the settings of this camera. Maybe you just purchased it or you're planning on purchasing it and just don't even know where to start. This video is just going to show you the highest quality video settings for the a6000. However, if you want to see a more in-depth video about all the settings pages on this camera, I'll leave a link down in the description for a video I made about that. Now I don't want to waste your time, so let's just get right into this video. But if you enjoy it, please consider dropping a like and subscribing. It'll really help out my channel. But first of all, you're going to go to this top dial right here and turn it until it's in the video mode. So see that logo right there that's also on the top dial? That is the movie mode. Once you're in there, go into the menu, which is this button right here. Then we're going to go to this first page. So once you click on that, you're also going to be on page 1 of this page. So it'll be that right there and then page 1, and you'll see these settings right here. So the first thing we're going to do is go down to file format for video. This right here is the little logo that shows up in the beginning of all of the video related settings. And then these are going to be for the photo related settings. So right here you can see the video logo, file format, XAVCS. So there's 3 to choose from here. These are the 3 different quality settings for video on the a6000. What you're going to want to choose for the highest quality video is XAVCS. This is going to be the highest quality video setting for this camera, and it'll give you the best looking video out of it. So go ahead and set that right there. And then we're actually going to go over to page number 2. So press the over button on your little control pad right here. Then you can see record setting, and also has that video logo showing that this is a video setting that you're changing. Go ahead and select that. Now for this, there's 3 different options. I'd recommend testing these out to see what works best for what you're filming. However, a basic rule of thumb is if you're recording regular video, you're not going to slow it down in any way. Just a regular quality video of somebody talking, or whatever you want to record video of that you're not planning on editing the speed of it or anything like that. I would recommend either 24p 50m, which stands for 24 frames per second in progressive mode, 50 megabits per second, or 30p 50m, which is 30 frames per second progressive, 50 megabits per second. I would recommend one of these 2. I personally use 24p, however a lot of people use 30p as well. They're both going to be very, very similar. And those are going to be both used if you're recording regular speed video, somebody talking, kids running around, a vacation video, something like that. However, if you want to slow the video down and create slow motion, that's where I'd recommend this right here, which is 60p 50m, 60 frames per second, 50 megabits per second. So 60 frames per second will allow you to have really smooth motion as well as slow down your footage in an editing software after you record it to get some good looking slow motion video. But besides that, if you're just recording regular video, I would select one of these 2. Personally, I select 24p 50m. And that is it for the video settings on this camera. Those are the 2 things that are going to directly affect the video quality the most. There is a lot of other settings for, adjusting different parts of the video like autofocus. However, those don't really affect the video quality itself, just more the usability of the video and things like that. But like I said, I do have a video that I'll link down in the description if you do want to learn more about all the other settings on this camera. But that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more quick little tutorial videos like this, go down, drop a like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.